Hi guys, here you can see I've purchased the Sharp GF555E off eBay to show you the original listing. This is the listings here with the original pictures. Seller states that it works, but the left hand speaker as you're looking at it is not as loud as the right hand side. So just to show you here, I've had a look at quite a few on eBay. There's this one here with the aluminium trim missing. There's another one, same. There's quite a lot of them with this aluminium trim missing off the front. As you can see here, all you can see is the residue from where the glue was. And this one had this damage to the speaker cover. So this is the one I actually purchased. Just wait for it to arrive. And voila, the item is here. Let's get it out of the box and have a look. And it's well packaged with this foam stuff. Just get the power cable out of the way. I'm going to check that before I plug it in. Make sure there's no cuts to the cable. And here you can see the actual radio itself. Let's get it out of the box with all this packaging. And there's the unit there, just give you a close-up. That's the actual unit there. On the back here, so that got the aerials, and you got these phono leads at the back there. That's a side view with a dial. All the controls for the bass, treble, balance, what's that, and the tape decks. Got a bit of dirt on it, but it is 40 years old, made in the 1980s. So I've checked the power cable, plugged it in, and it powers up fine. Just turn the volume up, and as stated by the seller, the left hand side is not as loud as the right hand side. So I will have a look at that. Just give you a close-up of the LEDs. And just press eject on the tape decks, non-existent nowadays. I've had to order some cassettes, tape cassettes, just to test it. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do is dismantle the unit. On the back here there's 8 screws which hold the back cover in place, and one inside the battery panel. So here you can see me just undoing the 8 screws lively. And then just open this battery panel. There's one screw inside there, which I'll undo. And now that that's done, just remove the back cover. Just back it off slightly because the aerial connection is still connected to the main PCB, and I'll just undo that. We should free the back cover off. You see, to show you the inside of it, inside of the back cover. And in the back here you can see the radio tuner with this dial. It's all wired, adjusted by a cable, all different nowadays. And you can see the 2 motors for the tape decks. Once again, you don't see these nowadays. And you can see the phono leads on the back here. Inside here you can see the battery panel, the rusty spring inside. I'm going to have a look at that. And just flip the front around. In order to remove the front cover, I've got to remove these 2 knobs on the front here. For the recording level, remove these 2. There you can see I got them off there. and then theoretically speaking the unit should just pull apart, as you can see I'm trying to do here. But it's snagged on something, and if you just have a look on the side here, one of the wires have somehow snagged onto the speaker. I'll just put a arrow in there so you can see the black wire there is snagged onto the speaker. So all I've got to do now, just pop a screwdriver in the side, excuse the back of my head. I'll just pop a screwdriver in and see if I can unhook it. It seems to have done the trick. Therefore, should be able to lift the front cover away now, as you can see there, exposing the insides of the front. Let's put this cover out of the way so I can put the front panel down. And just get a close up of the inside of the front panel. A lot of dirt on there. We'll be giving it a clean in the next video. And once the tapes have arrived, I'll be testing it. Radio seems to be working fine, okay. So, that'll do for now. I'm going to be cleaning the device in the next video. So until then, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.